All right, we are live for the second time tonight. Sheldon did a good job on his SPX break, and now I'm going to break some good old Upper Deck Series 2. Whoops. Hold on a minute. I just pasted the wrong thing. Hold on a minute. Where is it? There we go. Let me get everybody tagged here quick and we'll get going. Josh, James, Edward Murray, John, Scott, Eric, Scott, Chris Lee. Hey Thad, how's it going? Breaking some Upper Deck Series 2 here, a little quarter case break quick. I've got some leftovers from a case we did in the other group I'm in. 2 is live. Boom, there you go. Brett, how's it going? All right. I got some other pretty cool stuff sitting here too. I'm going to make maybe another mixer. I do have a case of 1516 Fleer Showcase sitting here too. I'm debating on. Let me make sure this is out of the way. Well, let me get these things open. I shouldn't need more than that. Some top loaders out here. Some sleeves. And we will get ripping. Well, that's good. You're not far from me, I just realized. You're right up the road. You and Chris. Chris Lee isn't far either. He's a little bit further than you. Alright. Let's get these gloves on so we can do some... Hey, Cassie, how you doing? Getting the surgical gloves on. I'm going to pick up a mat tomorrow for when I'm doing breaks in here. And then, yeah, I'm low on top loaders. I'm probably going to grab some Inception baseball. And I'm looking... I got some pretty cool mixer stuff. I got a box of 1617 Trilogy. I have just a regular box of SPX this year. I got 1718 Ultimate Collection. I've got 2 boxes of 1112 Contenders. And I have a couple more boxes of this Series 2. As far as mixer stuff, there's like 7 free boxes. Like, there's standalone boxes, so that'll be cool. So, yeah, and I got a 1516 Fleer Showcase box case sitting here. 8-box case, it's an inner. So I'm thinking about throwing that up in the group too. Just keep moving with it. Alright. You guys ready? Everybody seeing me okay? I'm looking on. I have a huge delay on my end that I see. Yeah, I'm good. Alright, let's get rolling here. Feel free to chat away. Alright, let's see if we can get some good Young Guns for you. National Hockey Card Day came and went. Hey John, how you doing? Got some SPX breaking tonight. Now we got some Upper Deck Series 2. Empty box. Alright, let's just get ripping. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we can get something great out of this. Alright, there we go. Lowry, Burns. What I'll do is I'll keep the base separate there. There's a Jesper K, as Sheldon likes to call him, marquee rookie from OPC. And anytime we come across a young gun or a canvas, I'll sleeve it quick. All cards ship, so anything it pulls from your team you will get. And I'll get them out by Monday, no problem. I'm actually packing free at the moment. I have nothing to pack. Borgstrom, Panthers, Upper Deck Rookie Portraits. Line, Larkin, there's some matches. Anybody got any good plans this weekend? Anybody doing anything special? My wife's been away at Vegas all week, so she's coming home tomorrow. That'll be nice. I've been dealing with the kids all week. They've been good, though. Fogarty Young Guns for the Rangers. There you go. That would go to James. Let's top load that bad boy up. And the Rangers are the first card to get a Young Guns. First team. There you go. Let's move these down here. Yeah, right there works. Lundqvist, Seabrook, and Ellis. I've got a case of artifacts sitting in Tyler's group. There's Svetnikov and Kachuk, Series 2 checklist. So we'll have to do a random for that one between Senators and the Hurricanes, since it's got Young Guns on it. And they're two teams, so I will get Cristobal to jump in, or Parker, and they can run that when this is done. I'll do that quick. See who gets that card. There's Kachuk, Cole, Noshi. Kachuk. There's Ethan Bear, the Oilers, Upper Deck Rookie Portraits. We've got Pietrangelo, Keith, and Series 2 checklist. And it is howling winds around here tonight. Stepan. And we've got a Igor Ozhiganov. I'm not going to get it. Igor O. Marquee rookie from OPC. There's Tanev, Domi, Grace. Man, it is really blowing out there. John, you're probably seeing that, right? Here comes a young gun. Fortin of the Blackhawks. That's a Cassie from the filler pool. So that's a young gun for Cassie there. The Blackhawks. So we got Rangers and Blackhawks young guns so far. I've had a lot of luck with Carter Hart. I'll tell you what. I've not pulled Pedersen young gun yet. But I have gotten several of his other rookies out of this. Maybe this will be it. Niederreiter. There's Bouchard of the Oilers. Upper Deck Rookie Portraits. What else we got here? Oh, we got something coming up. Green color. Murray. And then we've got a Fluorescence. Jeremy Lauzon from the Bruins. Numbered 6 out of 15. That's a nice pull. Who's got the Bruins? Eric. There you go. Boom. Fluorescence green. Numbered to 15. Lauzon. Nice pull. Yeah, it's really bad. I'm hoping no trees come down. But I need firewood anyway, so if they do, I'll just cut them up. Just don't lay it on my house or my car. That was a nice pull. almost done breaking 3 cases of this stuff this year. Oh, there's Colin White of the Senators canvas. Wrong. There we go. I think I've got the wrong batch here. Give me a second. I've got a few of these that are bigger sleeves in my pile. Let me try this. No, I think I just have the whole pile. Give me a second. Put that there for now. Yeah, I get confused sometimes with the sleeves. That's a good one. So the Senators grab a canvas and Colin White. Not yet. You got a Jesper K. OPC rookie. As the first rookie pulled. Pretty cool. Back-to-back breaks. We're working on a new logo, too. We're going to rebrand this group. You'll see. We'll surprise you with the new name. There's Wolanin of the Senators. Senators are doing all right. Young Guns. So you just got a canvas, and now you got a Young Gun. And you're in the random for a Young Guns checklist. 2, 3. First half of box 1 is about to be finished. Howdy, there is Vesalainen of the Jets. Marquee rookie from OPC. Voracek, Barry, Carrick, Nelson. We got Thornton, Grassley, checklist there. Canvas of Barry of the Avalanche. There you go, the Avs get one. Canvas card. Boom. And then we'll go all base. Still got some Young Guns to pull in this box. Who are we going to get? Oh, there's an exclusive for the Blues. Patrick Mordon. 79 out of 100 right there. So the Blues snag one there. That's cool. John, there you go. Upper Deck exclusives. Boom. Carlson, Johnson, Hannafin. Still got a lot of good teams up in Artifacts in the other break group. If you guys want to jump in. I think there's like 19 spots left now. Somebody got the Red Wings today. Hronek, marquee rookie for the Red Wings. Yeah, I grab that every time I get a chance because he doesn't get it that often anymore. There's a Mitch Marner canvas for the Leafs. Nice. Yeah, so every time he gets Artifacts, I snag it because I like it. It's pretty cool. But I think I'm going to toss that 15-16 case up in here. It's going to be a free random to all the Oilers. Everybody gets a chance at the Oilers in that one. So that's what I'm going to do. Middlestat, Young Guns for the Sabres. Oh, boy. There you go. That would be Cassie. Middlestat, Young Guns. Keeping it going. Kincaid, Sheary, and Richardson. A lot of packs to open in the Upper Deck. Let's see. Gordon Perry. There's a San Jose Sharks. Carlson, OPC. It's not numbered. Usually the number would be like right there if it was going to be there. Just a base OPC. Nab Kreider. Ryan O'Reilly OPC. Looks like a base. For the Blues. Almost done box 1. A couple more. I think we got a couple more Young Guns coming. There is a Hronek, the Red Wings, Upper Deck Rookie Portraits. We got Elliott, Kadri, Ferland. I was watching the NCAA wrestling semifinals just now. Pretty good matches. Huge upset in the 184-pound weight class. Number 1 went down. Clark Bishop, Young Guns for the Hurricanes. The Hurricanes jump on again. Anything crazy happened, Sheldon, in your group break? I didn't watch the whole thing. What were the best pulls? Anything great? Anything good? Cassie, you win anything? There's a Young Guns Dylan Gambrell for the Sharks canvas card. That would be Cassie. So Young Guns canvas. Dylan Gambrell. Nice. All right. 2 left. Box 1 will be in the books. We have Paul Beagle. There's a Vesalainen marquee rookie from OPC. The OPC Platinum's coming out here soon. I'll be getting some of that too. And there's a Kiefer Sherwood from the Ducks, silver marquee rookie. OPC, and then that wraps up box 1. All right, so we got a canvas Young Guns. We got some Hurricanes and some Senators. A lot of those. I know the Rangers are on the board. I'll recap it at the end anyway, in case you guys are coming in and out of the break. And that way, if you want to look at it, you always look at the end of my breaks, and there's always a recap. You can always just watch that instead of watching the whole thing if you want. Alright, here comes box 2. Good luck, everybody. So we can pull some fire tonight. Get something crazy. These are all out of the same case. Carlson, Hayes. There's Cernak from the Lightning Young Guns. That's our first one for box 2. What we got here? There we go. And we got Line, Coyle, Larkin, and Lundqvist. And what we got here? Checklist. There's a Sorelli Lightning Upper Deck Rookie Portraits. Do we have a Lightning box? Is that what's turning this? We have a Lightning box here. Young Guns, and followed by an Upper Deck Rookie. Here we go. We have a Relic, and it's going to go to Fogle of the Hurricanes. Whoa, stay up there. Rookie Materials jersey card. So that would go to Eric. One of these smaller 120 top loaders. Give me a second. There we go. 120. Boom. There you go. And there's 3. There's a canvas of Eberle for the Islanders. Right behind that is just base, it looks like. So Jordan Eberle, Upper Deck canvas. Islanders get on the board. And keeping it going. What else we got? Turgeon, Red Wings, Young Guns followed by 3 base cards. So the Red Wings get a young gun there. Here we go. Spooner. There's a Svechnikov, marquee rookie for OPC. If you were going to get one of those, you might as well get him, right? Cal Peterson from the Kings, followed by Kessel, 4 base cards. Yeah, one thing I'm noticing in this group, make sure that you have your notifications turned on for this group. Like all notifications. So I'm noticing that when I'm tagging some of you, it's not showing a link. It's just going, it just looks like I typed your name and that's it. And that's usually a sign that your notifications aren't turned on. You don't want to miss anything, so take a look at that and make sure you're on in this group. There's Matthew Joseph of the Lightning, Upper Deck Rookie Portraits. Yeah, this is definitely lightning heavy in this box. And if you have any questions ever, feel free to message me or Sheldon. There's Sulak, marquee rookie for the Red Wings. I tend to answer pretty quick. My phone's on me at all times because I kind of live on it with work. And I have all the notifications and Messenger and everything else, so no issue there. And I'll message each of you when I send your stuff, letting you know what the tracking number is. There's a Torrey Krug of the Bruins, Upper Deck canvas. Might be Krug, I don't know. There you go. And then we've got Nyquist, O'Reilly, and Galchenyuk. And we're almost halfway done. Box 2, which puts us halfway. Carter Hart, what do you know? I always get him. There's another one. Nice. So, Chris Lee, there you go, bud. Got yourself a Carter Hart Young Guns. I pulled like 6 of these. And I've pulled like 2 of the canvas version too. There's a Carter Hart. Nice. Chuck and Cole. And a 3-box break. Gotta love it. I tend to have luck with these smaller breaks. We got Sheldon, I pulled an Austin Matthews for out of now, what was it, Austin Matthews? Yeah, I think it was. It was this Young Guns out of a blaster box. 1 box of it that I happened to get for free. And Sheldon got it out of that. That's crazy. And it was a canvas, too. So, yeah, if you see me doing smaller ones, jump in, because you never know. I've gotten some pretty nuts. Yeah, that'd be cool. I'll break that tomorrow, no problem, right in the afternoon. I tend to break pretty quick. There's a Svechnikov for marquee rookie. Yeah, I don't like to let things sit around. If it fills, it's breaking. I'm not playing. And I love breaking it. It's fun. I have as much fun opening it as you guys do getting the cards. There's Howden, Upper Deck rookie. Yeah, that was crazy, right? Howden. That had to be one of the craziest pulls I've ever had. Pulled a beautiful, I think it was my first inner case of artifacts. We got a Sidney Crosby, number 27, autograph. Juleson Young Guns, there he is. Sheldon, you got a Canadian. Yeah, and I got them with one of the cases. They kind of came with it. It was a special they were having or something, and I just happened to pick them. Whoop. Base. Alright, so you got 1 Carter Hart so far. Who else are you going to get? Ben Bishop canvas. The Stars. And followed by Kincaid, Sherry Richardson, and Tatar. So the Stars pick up a canvas. There you go. Yeah, I think the next one I'm debating. Should I throw that mix? That mixer's like, I'm like itching to open those boxes. I got some pretty good ones sitting here. What's going on here? There's nothing in this pack. No. Nothing. All base in that pack. Oh, good. There's Bourgeois, right? Rookie from the Senators. That's one I had to learn. I kept calling him LaJoy. These names are tough sometimes. And these are just the ones that are playing now. Like, you go back in time and I'm even worse. There's Tavares of the Maple Leafs. Base card. And we're down to like 5 packs left. And box 2 will be done. Neil, there's Montembeault. Panthers. Upper Deck Rookies. Portraits. Oh, stop it. I hate when that happens. Boom. Hickett's Young Guns for the Red Wings. I'll tell you what, the Red Wings always seem to do well in this, as far as picking up Young Guns. There's usually like 3 at least, and every time I break it, doesn't matter what I do. Who's got the Red Wings? James. There you go. Wilson, Fabry. There's a canvas of Oshie. Followed by Pasternak, Martin, Athinsau, and Voracek. There's the back. Caps. The Capitals jump on the board with something. That's Josh. Hey, Corey, how's it going? Breaking a little bit Upper Deck Series 2 here. Cholowski, marquee rookie for the Red Wings. And we're down to the final pack, and 2 boxes are down. 1 to go. Bozak, silver parallel for the Blues. And that's it. We got Carter Hart, though. We got a Carter Hart in these 3-box break. Not done yet. Box 3, here we go. And it's National Hockey Card Day. Yeah, spring of 18. I think this is next week, maybe? Late March. Maybe the 28th or something, I think. I'll grab some. I'm going to head up there tomorrow, so see what I can grab. Probably get some more SPX. I've only done an inner case of that so far. See what else he's got. There is Edsel of the Blackhawks. Young Guns. Followed by Voracek, Barry, Nelson. Let me start a second pile. It's getting too high. So no fingerprints on these. My word, the gloves every time. Right from pack. Oh, it got moved back. Oh well. I'll get it when it comes out. I know I'm getting a case of Inception for sure tomorrow. Edker. But I'm definitely getting more hockey as well. We'll just see what he has. I don't know if this group likes the cup, but I can get 16, 17 the cup pretty easily. So if you want me to grab any of that, let me know. Anderson Dolan, Upper Deck Rookie Portraits. I have no problems getting it. It's just a little on the pricey side. Oh, here's another one. Relic. Troy Terry from the Ducks. Gets a rookie material jersey. 3 base cards behind it. Cool. So the Ducks grab one. That's Cassie. And there's a 120 sleeve. I got 120s now. I was low on them before. 2 relics in 3 boxes. Not bad. And a Carter Hart. Chicken. Tavs. There's Vatanen of the Devils. Canvas card. Let's leave that bad boy up. Devils get one. 16-17. I can get no problem. He's got a ton of it. He stocked up for some reason that year and it just sat. Doesn't help that he doesn't put it out on the shelf and I got to dig for it. There's Marody of the Oilers. Young Guns. White handle and Lindbergh behind it. So Oilers get one. I'll say it, yes for K. You get me every time on that one. Even looking at the pronunciation of it is funny. There's Rasmussen, marquee rookie from OPG. Yeah, I've had some funny ones, I'll tell you. Yeah, I started hockey from scratch, and I'm sure I made a lot of people laugh. Like this one. Vakanainen. That's probably totally wrong. But that is kind of a hard one right there. There's the Bruins. I'll just call him Urho V, if I'm even pronouncing his first name right. That's just one that's a hard one. Bruins pick one up, though. Yeah, true. True. I was listening to one time and I was like, let's see how he pronounces some of these. Rasmussen, Red Wings. Upper Deck Rookie Portraits. And we're getting down to the halfway mark of the final box. Dahlin, there we go. Even if it is a marquee rookie, I'd take it. From the Sabres. There you go. So the Sabres pick one up there. That would be Cassie. I think I got one of those for you last time. Edmund Carlson. Hellebook canvas. 1x3 base. So the Jets grab one there. Oh, nice. And you didn't get it, did you? Cassie got it. You're going to probably trade her for that, right? Elias Anderson of the Rangers, Young Guns. Followed by 4 base. So the Rangers get another one. I gotta pick up some more top loaders. Some more. My one case is getting low. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I got one of them in mine. It was for the save. I think it was Middlestat, if I remember right. Yost. There's Tavares. Maple Leafs blue. No, it's not numbered. They're nice looking cards. They remind me of Topps Heritage baseball a little bit. Older years. Mike Erickson. There's another Lozon. Bruins Upper Deck Rookie Portraits. Kessel. Skinner. I'm getting down to the nitty gritty here. Here we go. Sakura. Blackhawks. Young Guns. Followed by 3 base. Blackhawk. I'm noticing that the Blackhawks and the Red Wings always tend to get hits. Rangers do all right too. Really? That's pretty awesome. Who ended up getting that? There's Edler. Canvas. Followed by 4 base cards. There's the back. Vancouver picks one up. Scott. Alright. Nah, it doesn't like that one. Messing up my... I'm gonna have to watch that for sure. Miller. I think this is Comtois. Marquee rookie for the Ducks. That's gotta mean it's worth some money. Who got it? Who's the person who picked it up? Oh, Peter K. I see what you're saying. I'm not paying attention. This is a good one. Vorobiev. Mikhail Vorobiev. Silver marquee rookie. Flyers. I'm trying on that one. Getting some crazy ones here. You know what's even funnier yet? Tyler saying hockey names. That was funny. He was talking to me the other day, and even I was like, wow, you're really butchering them. Lamico, Panthers. About 5 or 6 left here. Chris. Did you see what you got? There's a Fogle Upper Deck Rookie Portraits. Yeah, you did. You got one in a 3-box break. Just a regular one. It wasn't canvas. Nah, I'm going tomorrow. But I do have a ton of stuff sitting here yet. A nice chunk of hockey. I have enough to do 2 mixers with hockey. I'm going to do a 4-box mixer and a 3-box mixer. Unless you want me to do all 7 at once as a mixer. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types of cards. There's a Rempel. It wouldn't be crazy expensive either. Yeah, it would be pretty cool. There's some good ones in. I got a 16-17 trilogy. I've got an SPX from this year. Just 1 box sitting there. I've got a 17-18 Ultimate Collection. I got 2 more boxes of this. And I got 2 boxes of 11-12 Panini Contenders. Go Kings, go. Kopitar Canvas. That's a cool looking card. And you know what? I might grab some tomorrow while I'm at it. Get some free boxes, like freestanding boxes. I love doing mixers. They're fun. Kind of changes things up. And you can go through this all you want. When I break 1 box of this and then jump in, let's do, I don't know, trilogy and jump into that. I can get 17-18 trilogy too. I might grab that. Tyler found some, so I'm going to maybe grab it from him. Oh, here's a black back marquee rookie. That one's numbered. For the Kings, Austin Wagner. Cool. Right in the middle there, 27 out of 100. Nice. It's the first one of those I've pulled in 3 cases. Yeah, I'll look at the pricing on all 7 and see what that looks like. If it looks reasonable, I'll throw it up like that. Make it a little bit longer break. You have more chances of win hits. Last pack, and it's going to be a Hines from the Stars, marquee rookie. And that wraps us up. All right, cool. Let me look here and give you guys a recap. So we got the black back Austin Wagner, number to 100 for the Kings. Kopitar, canvas for the Kings. We got Rempel from the Kings, Young Guns. That was like a last-ditch pile-up of Kings. Edler, Canucks, Young Canvas. Sakura of the Blackhawks, Young Guns. We got a Elias Anderson of the Young Guns for the Rangers. Hellebuck, canvas card for the Jets. Dahlin, marquee rookie, Sabres. UV from the Bruins, Young Guns. Cooper Marody. I'm going to look that one up this time. I usually look at, there's a website that gives you every pronunciation of every hockey player ever imagined. And I'm gonna pull him out. That's the one I'm going to learn tonight. That one bugs me. I don't like not knowing it. Cooper Marody of the Oilers. We got Vatanen of the Devils, canvas. Troy Terry, rookie materials, jersey from the Ducks. Edsel of the Blackhawks, Young Guns. We got a canvas of Oshie for the Capitals. We got Hicketts of the Red Wings, Young Guns. Ben Bishop canvas for the Stars. Noah Juleson of the Canadians. There's your Carter Hart. Chris, there you go. Every time he gets it, he dances. I don't know why. We got Krug, canvas for the Bruins. We got Peterson of the Kings. Kings got a chunk. Turgeon of the Red Wings, Young Guns. We got a canvas of Everly for the Islanders. We got a rookie materials Fogle of the Hurricanes. We got Cernak, Young Guns. Lightning, Young Guns canvas. Gambrell of the Sharks. Yeah, maybe I should, or maybe I'll just call him Jesper K like you do. Bishop of the Hurricanes. Middlestat of the Sabres. Marner of the Leafs. Canvas card. There's an exclusive of Maroon. Oh, it's Maroon. There he is. Number to 100. Blues. Barry of the canvas card of the Avs. Wolanin of the Senators. Young Guns. Colin White canvas of the Senators. This beauty. Lozon. Number to 15. Green fluorescence. That's a sweet card, huh? Number to 15. And then we got Fortin, the Blackhawks, and Fogarty of the Rangers. And that about, oh, we have this too. I'm going to random that. Young Guns checklist of Shvetnikov and Kachuk. So I'll random that between the Senators and the Hurricanes right when I'm done here. And we'll get the winner. Who's got him? Maybe it's the same Hurricanes. Hurricanes is Eric, and the Senators is Edward. So it's between Eric and Edward. All right, cool. Appreciate it again, everybody. You guys have a great rest of your night. I will get this stuff shipped out by Monday, and I will message you with the tracking numbers as I get them done so you know when they're coming. I appreciate it again, and look for more. I got more coming. I will talk to you later, and if you have any questions, message me anytime. Talk to you later.